Roswell Flight Test Crew here at Exponential 2022 in Orlando, Florida. And I'm over here at the Wingxpand booth with James Barbieri. How you doing, James?
Hey, I'm doing well. It's great to be here with you. Thank you.
Oh, so glad to be here with you because you've got this really interesting fixed-wing airplane sitting on the table in front of us here. And this fixed-wing airplane can do something that no other fixed-wing airplane can do. What is that?
That's right. So this is the world's only expandable wing drone. So it goes from a common conventional backpack to a full 7-foot wingspan in under 2 minutes.
Now that in and of itself is pretty incredible, but then obviously you don't build something like this because it's fun to build. Well, maybe you do, and it is fun to build, but what's the purpose? What's the intent? What's the use case here?
Yeah, so we are able to fly longer, so 2+ hour flight time with 1+ pound of payload. And so what that's able to do is fly for our farmers, our public safety and defense use cases where they really need the most powerful and simple, easy to use solution that fits in a backpack, and it can even fit 10 of them in a trunk or up to 1,500 in a standard shipping container to go anywhere they are needed in the world.
I can think of one or two places right now. But getting back to the simple, and I say this with both love and respect, it kind of looks like a model airplane. I mean, you look at the horizontal and vertical stabilizers here. I've got one at home, looks almost like this, but it's made of EPO foam.
Yeah. So this is our production copy is going to be aerospace grade materials. So carbon fiber, high strength materials. And because of our patented expandable wing design, what that allows us to do is have that most simple configuration to enable those high levels of capability. More payload, more flight time, more value, and simple to use for our customers.
Well, obviously, if you're out in the field, you need this thing to work. That's really crucial. Now, I can tell this isn't a production unit because it looks to me like it was 3D printed. So are the production units ready to go, or when can people get these things?
Yeah, so we have been so excited to launch officially this week at AUVSI Exponential right here in Orlando. So this is the first week that we've been offering our pre-orders for the Wingspan system. We are going into production now, and so they are going to be available to the general public in the start of the third quarter. So our current flying model, which is what I have here, this is our show model, which is 3D printed. We still leverage aspects of additive manufacturing, but also that aerospace grade material in our production copy. So very strong, very durable, no foam or lower, weaker type of materials that get, banged up a lot easier.
Now, the other thing I noticed is there doesn't appear to be any intrinsic payload, so you can customize the payload for the end user?
Correct, yeah. So once again, keeping with our theme of the most powerful, simple, easy to use design, we have a modular open systems architecture payload bay. So it simply is able to go up and basically put in any common conventional payload in there. So a lot of multispectral use for our farming and agriculture communities. For more of our public safety and defense, we can go up to high resolution thermal cameras along with retractable gimbals. So when you're over a target area, the great benefit there, because this is a hand-launched fixed wing design, we're able to actually have that sensor installed fully into the fuselage of the aircraft so that you can improve that aerodynamic performance, get out to a target area, and then retract that payload out to do what the mission calls for.
Yeah, I was wondering about that. I assumed you couldn't put a ball turret in it because it's a belly lander, but that's really clever. It retracts.
Yes, thank you. Yeah, so that's a really nice feature, and that still is able to get those much higher levels of professional, government, and defense use cases that are called for in certain missions.
Yeah, well, it's a tremendous idea. I'm super excited to keep pace with this as you guys move forward with it, and thank you for taking the time to share it with us.
Thank you so much for coming by to talk to me. I really appreciate it.
Well, James, you're very welcome. So, from Exponential 2022, home of the Expand Incredible Shrinking Drone, which I almost knocked off the table, this is the Roswell Flight Test Crew, signing off.